go.
Yep. Oh, he doesn't want to peek now.
I just feel bad he does that. There's somebody not trying to I know.
Money.
What?
Yep. Scoop, please. Yep, thank you.
Stay low. There's one in the trench behind us. Let's try to push forward.
All right, heard.
No one you want to cover left? There's nobody in front of us.
Wait, we gotta watch this opening.
We got trench down there. Should we put shield in the opening?
Wait.
Yes, I just dropped the guy in the saloon.
Hey. Mason, what do you see in the trench? Okay, stay low.
Yep, I'm watching over your head.
Watch out, there's somebody just like this splatter like ground goes on. I can't see on the next wall, Blake.
Yeah, that was awesome.
I cleared 3.
One more.
Get him.
He's hit.
Fuck you.
One more. He's right back.
There you go. He fucking finally called. He was eating them the whole time.
There you go.
Yep.
Coming in with you?
Shh, 1 second.
Hey, is that closed off?
No, but there's a guy right here.
We can't go out the back?
Nope.
30 seconds.
No, we're still like.
You're dead, bud.
It's all good. We got it. We got bodies to our left. Reloading. Hit.